Okay, so good morning, everybody. So today we're going to be going over our topic, which is
What is
winter?
winter?
What is winter? Who can tell me what winter is?
It's a season.
It's a season. How many seasons are there? Stephanie.
4 of them.
4 of them? Awesome. Okay, so what are some characteristics of winter?
Snow.
Snow.
Cold.
Cold.
Icy.
Icy.
Dark.
Dark. That's interesting. Anybody else?
No leaves.
No leaves.
Frozen.
It's a good movie.
I know, we should watch it.
White. White. Now why is it white, Tessa?
The snow.
The snow. Okay, awesome. So snow kind of goes along with which one of these categories besides snow?
Frozen.
Frozen.
Cold.
Cold. Okay, so these are some basic characteristics that we think about winter. So when does winter start? Does anybody know? Doesn't have to be an exact date.
21st?
Of December?
Yeah.
Of December. Wow, you guys are really on top of this. The 21st of December.
Crazy
So do we know
days.
what day? So there's a certain word for it that happens twice a year that signifies winter. What is
Isn't
it?
it the winter
The
solstice?
winter solstice.
Smart.
We're so smart.
Oh my god, we have a rather expert here.
I don't know what's solstice.
S-T-I-C-E.
Hold on, you just got 4 different spellings.
S-O-L-S-T-I-C. Yep.
So Mikhail, what does winter solstice mean?
It's like when it becomes dark early, right?
It's dark early. That's a good characteristic of it. What else?
It's the shortest day of the year.
The shortest day of the year, correct. Okay, so what we're supposed to focus on in our unit this week is extreme weather conditions. Can someone name an extreme weather condition that happens within winter? Yes.
A blizzard.
A blizzard! Well done, Tessa. Thanks. So what happens during a blizzard?
Get a lot of snow.
It's a whiteout.
Snow. It's a whiteout. What is a whiteout? Is that just a lot of snow?
It's completely like you can't see in front of you. I
Okay.
couldn't see Hannah.
Right. And why is that? What else is happening during a
It's
blizzard? besides
windy.
snow?
Like
It's
it
windy.
covers everything.
Yes, correct. So today we're going to be doing an activity that is going to represent a blizzard. So I have some examples of blizzard jars. This one's purple because I decided to screw around with it, and this one's blue because I also decided to screw around with it. So at the end of this, you can put food coloring in them and make them however we want. But at first, we're going to do this with white. So you guys can pass these around. This one has less glue in it, so it shakes a little bit more, looks more like a blizzard. This one has a lot of glue in it because Lauren was experimenting last night. So if you shake them around, kind of looks like a blizzard. The winds are whipping, everything's
slow
going.
blizzard.
That gets a lot of glue in that. That one's better, right?
Yes, blizzard.
Alright, so you can hand these around. We get our materials out. You guys are going to be able to take these home.
Oh!
Ooh, keep your own blizzards.
I made these at camp. With my 6-year-old children.
Alright.
Like,
Want to take and pass it down?
Yeah, pass them down. That's probably a great idea. One more. Okay, so we have today's glitter. We got glitter glue if you want to use it. We got normal glue. And I guess I'll do one to demonstrate and how it works. So what you're going to do first with your blizzard jars, thank you, Tess, is you're going to take some hot water. You're going to pour it in your jar. And not all the way to the top. You'll leave some room in there. Now you can take glitter glue or regular glue. I'm going to use the regular clear glue. Which one is open already? Then you're going to squeeze a good amount in there. And then you can take the glitter. Now what does the glitter represent?
Blizzard.
The snow, right, Stephanie?
I meant to
What
say
does the
snow.
jar represent?
A blizzard.
A blizzard. So you can put a nice good amount of glitter in there and then like pat it down with your finger.
Ooh, I like that.
That was cool.
I'm doing white.
I know, wait, it's fun, isn't it?
That's definitely like a snowstorm.
Rinse my finger out a little bit there. We're gonna get this table wet, it's okay.
It's okay, so my activity's gonna be messy too.
So you're gonna put your cap on, you're gonna let it kind of like settle at the bottom a little bit, and then you can shake it, and it looks like a blizzard.
It looks like a snow globe.
That's kind of what the idea behind snow globes are. So you got a blizzard in the jar. Yay! Okay, so everybody can get started.
I wanna go first.
No, I'm first.
I'm
Alright,
first.
settle down.
Do I
Go ahead, you can do it. You're adults, really. Not all the way. So like, yep, that's good. Perfect. So you're gonna finish it off water, yep. We can hand the glue down. If you put glue, like blue glitter glue in it, here, I'll do it with this one. It like makes it a little bit blue too, so like that's kind of neat. Not as blue as that one. Guys, this is great like stress
Yeah,
relief
that's
too
so
for
fun.
finals.
Yeah,
Like looking at
literally.
these is a lot, it's really fun. Okay.
Miss Lauren, may I have the glitter?
Yes, you may. Here you are.
Wow, a lot of so now.
So what are you guys' favorite parts of winter?
Snowmobile.
The first snow, it's so pretty.
Snowboarding. Snowboarding.
Actually, just bought a new snowmobile jacket on my way here.
That's so exciting.
And I'm not kidding, I'm being serious.
This works so much better than it did last night. I'm so happy.
Miss Lauren, I have a question.
Yeah.
Why do you
That's
use
hot
hot
water.
water?
Use hot water because the glue reacts better, like it becomes more soluble in hot water than in cold water. So we don't want the glue to like completely congeal when we're doing this at first, because then the glitter would just stick to it.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
That's plenty.
Do you want this?
Oh yeah, thank you.
Yep.
You guys want blue?
Yeah. I want all the colors.
And then you guys can like write your names on the lids too afterwards with some markers, so you can go home, show your mom.
Tell
everybody.
my mom.
FaceTime me. Show her what you made today. Yeah, I paid $10,000 to make glitter.
Yeah, I paid $30.
Gotta have some fun in your life, right?
I would.
I wouldn't write your name on it. I have a gold Sharpie.
Okay.
So this works.
Now wait.
Oh yeah,
Thank you.
we all need glitter.
I know, that's the biggest thing of glitter I could find.
Oh, where'd you go, Walmart?
Alright, so while we're all doing this, we're going to talk a little bit more about winter. So more about winter, guys. What is, so we said cold is a characteristic of winter. So what's the temperature that we could say winter is usually around?
Looks like it's snowing.
30.
30.
30. No.
30 degrees what?
Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit. Does anybody know what freezing is?
Like the temperature?
Yes.
No.
No?
I've never heard of that before. Can you explain it?
The freezing temperature is what temperature water freezes at. So what is freezing?
32 degrees Fahrenheit.
What is the process of freezing? Like what happens when something freezes?
A liquid becomes a solid.
It becomes a solid, right? It solidifies. So what was the temperature, Michaela?
32 degrees Fahrenheit.
So 32 degrees
below.
Fahrenheit and below is freezing.
Which happened last night.
It did.
That is sick. Why do I have pink glitter in my jar?
It's just the
Oh, it's the type of glitter.
white.
I was like, what happened?
So what are some fun things we can do when water freezes that we do during the winter?
Sledding.
Sledding. That makes sledding definitely interesting.
Yeah, ice skating.
Ice skating. Ice skating.
The
Awesome.
water gets frozen.
Oh, you put food coloring in it? Yep.
This isn't like such
It's probably wet on top.
could probably use some like
I love it.
rinse
Be careful, you can get all over your hands. I have all over my hands all over that already.
How's everybody's jar coming out?
Awesome.
Awesome. So, looking at Tessa's awesome blizzard jar,
Wow.
what does it look like?
Blue. How did that happen?
Looks like a blizzard when?
Choose food
When
coloring.
it's gonna
When it's during what time of day?
dark. Like
Nighttime. Is there a specific time of day that blizzards can happen? No, right, it can happen at any time. So what do we need to be prepared for winter?
Scarves.
Scarves. Scarves is one of them.
Shovels.
Oh,
Snow blower.
All right, let's raise our hands. Let's raise our hands. Michaela.
Snow blower.
Snow blower. Why do we use snow blower?
To blow the snow. A plow.
Wow, that's important.
But you need a truck for the plow.
All right, anybody else? We got scarves. We got snow blowers. What else? Hats. Keep our heads warm. What else? What else do we need during winter? We've got scarves, snow blowers, hats.
Shovels.
Shovels! What about to keep ourselves prepared for winter? Let's think about self. What do we need? We got hats.
Gloves. Mittens.
Mittens! Anything else? What do we put on our feet? Boots! Boots! And what should we be wearing clothing-wise?
Jacket.
A jacket, not just any jacket though.
Snow jacket.
Snow jacket. Any other article of clothing? Something to go sledding in?
Snow pants.
Snow pants. What else do we need snow pants for, Tessa?
Snowboarding.
Snowboarding. Alright, so we need all this stuff to go out in the winter time and really enjoy ourselves. What happens if we don't wear this stuff?
Frostbite.
Frostbite. Now that's kind of scary, isn't it? What is frostbite, Tessa?
It's when your skin gets too cold and starts turning black and blue and purple.
We need to get down on the knees right here. Alright, so frostbite. Let's look up the real definition of frostbite and see what we can find. Because this is important, you guys, because if you go outside and you're not wearing the proper gear, this could happen to you, and it's kind of scary. Does anybody know where the coldest place on Earth is?
The North Pole.
What's on the bottom?
The South Pole.
What's the continent called?
Antarctica.
Antarctica. This is gonna be
You know, Alaska's pretty cold.
Alaska is pretty cold, that's right. I'd say that's probably the coldest state in our union.
It's cold all the time.
Alright, so frostbite is a condition in which the skin and tissue below freezes. Where do people mostly get frostbite? Does anybody know?
The fingers.
Open
The fingers, right? Fingers is one.
face, cheeks.
Face, cheeks, and what sticks
Nose.
out? Your nose. Oh, why your nose? You know your nose gets nice and red. Santa Claus's nose is always nice and red because it's up in the North Pole. That's why you wear face masks when you ski and stuff. Keep your nose warm. And what else? What's the opposite of fingers? Toes. Toes. Gotta keep your toes warm. Do you have any favorite things that happen during winter? Favorite events?
The Olympics.
The Olympics? When is that happening, Tessa?
Well, the winter ones happen every 4 years, and they start in like January.
2018.
Already?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, right? Seems fast.
Wow.
Everybody make their jars?
Yep.
Yes. Alright, does everybody want to show them off?
Sure.
Alright, let's start with Tess.
Oh yeah. Look at
Tornado.
those.
Wow, that was
Wow,
amazing.
that's great.
That's really cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna see how yours
blizzard, Allison, I'm so sorry.
Oh, you got a little blizzard. Heather, let's see yours.
Ooh, ah.
Did you put food coloring in yours, Stephanie?
Yeah, I love
Yeah, oh,
that.
I like that. You only did like one drop.
Yeah, I got lazy.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
So wet.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you put purple in yours. Wow, that's
Yeah, I
interesting.
like it.
Oh, I love the
Oh
purple.
my gosh.
Put more glitter, what else that with that purple?
Yeah, you can put more
Yeah.
glitter. There's plenty of glitter. All right, so you guys, if you want, you can put food coloring in them to make them different colors. If not, it's up to you. You can keep it white. I like the white. But that's our lesson for today. Your homework is to go home and play in the snow when it comes out. So, thank you guys.
Okay, so why